Hello, fellow travel enthusiasts and adventure seekers. Step into Destination Decoder, where we uncover hidden gems and must-see destinations from around the world, all in one place. Thailand is a Southeast Asian country known for its diverse attractions that cater to a wide range of interests. Renowned for its stunning beaches, delicious cuisine, rich culture, and ancient ruins. Here are some of the top tourist spots in Thailand for you to consider. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated with our newest destinations. Welcome to Bangkok, the heart and soul of Thailand, where modernity meets tradition in a city bursting with culture, charm, and endless possibilities. Let's begin our journey by exploring Bangkok's rich cultural landmarks. From the majestic Grand Palace to the serene Waterfalls Temple, each site tells a story of Thailand's fascinating history and architectural grandeur. Immerse yourself in the intricate details of Buddhist temples, marvel at the gleaming spires, and soak in the spiritual ambience that reverberates through these ancient wonders. No visit to Bangkok is complete without experiencing its vibrant street markets. Wander through the bustling alleyways of Chatuchak Weekend Market, where vendors offer everything from exotic spices to handmade crafts. Indulge your senses with the tantalizing aromas of Thai street food, sample delicious local delicacies, and haggle for unique souvenirs to take home. Welcome to Chiang Mai. Our adventure begins with a visit to the awe-inspiring temples and historical landmarks that dot the cityscape of Chiang Mai. From the majestic Wat Phra that Doi Suthep to the ancient walls of the old city, each site tells a story of Chiang Mai's rich heritage and spiritual significance. Marvel at the intricate architecture, ornate pagodas, and serene courtyards as you immerse yourself in the timeless beauty of these sacred places. Chiang Mai is a melting pot of cultures, where traditional customs and modern lifestyles harmoniously coexist. Explore the vibrant markets of Waterfalls Market and Sunday Walking Street, where artisans showcase their craftsmanship and local delicacies tantalize the senses. Indulge in the rich flavors of northern Thai cuisine. Experience the colorful traditions of hill tribes, and witness captivating performances that celebrate the region's cultural diversity. Beyond its bustling streets, Chiang Mai is blessed with natural wonders that captivate the soul. Trek through lush rainforests to discover hidden waterfalls, soar above the treetops on a thrilling zipline adventure, or embark on a serene river cruise along the Mae Ping River. Let the tranquility of nature rejuvenate your spirit and awaken your sense of wonder as you explore the breathtaking landscapes of Chiang Mai. Welcome to Ayutthaya, Thailand's ancient capital. Our adventure begins with a visit to the magnificent temples and historic ruins that define Ayutthaya's skyline. From the iconic Wat Mahathat to the towering prangs of Wat Phra Si Sanphet, each site offers a glimpse into the grandeur of Ayutthaya's golden age. Marvel at the intricate architecture, intricate sculptures, and ancient relics as we unravel the mysteries of Ayutthaya's glorious past. Ayutthaya is not just a testament to Thailand's royal heritage, but also a melting pot of diverse cultures and traditions. Explore the vibrant markets of Ayutthaya Floating Market and witness the timeless craftsmanship of local artisans. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and flavors of Ayutthaya as we celebrate the city's cultural diversity and vibrant spirit. As we stroll along the banks of the Chao Phraya River, we're reminded of Ayutthaya's intimate connection to the waterways that once served as vital arteries of trade and commerce. Feel the gentle breeze, admire the picturesque scenery, and witness the timeless beauty of Ayutthaya's riverside charm. Welcome to Sukhothai, the cradle of Thai civilization. It begins with a visit to the UNESCO World Heritage Site of Sukhothai Historical Park, where ancient temples and ruins transport us back to the glory days of the Sukhothai kingdom. Marvel at the majestic Buddha statues, intricately carved stone reliefs, and serene lotus ponds as we delve into the rich history and artistry of Sukhothai's golden age. Sukhothai is not only a testament to Thailand's royal heritage, but also a melting pot of diverse cultures and traditions. Explore the vibrant markets of Sukhothai Night Market and sample the mouth-watering flavors of local delicacies. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and aromas of Sukhothai as we celebrate the city's cultural diversity and vibrant spirit. Beyond its historical and cultural treasures, Sukhothai is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty. Explore the tranquil landscapes of Sukhothai Historical Park, where lush greenery and tranquil lakes provide the perfect backdrop for exploration and relaxation. Cycle through winding paths, stroll along tree-lined avenues, and breathe in the fresh air as you reconnect with nature in Sukhothai's serene surroundings. Welcome to Phuket, Thailand's island paradise. Our adventure begins with the breathtaking beaches that line Phuket's coastline. From the bustling shores of Patong Beach to the serene coves of Kata and Karon, each beach offers its own unique charm and beauty. Sink your toes into the soft sands, take a refreshing swim in the crystal clear waters, and soak up the sun as you unwind on Phuket's picturesque beaches. Beyond its stunning coastline, Phuket is home to a rich tapestry of culture and heritage. Explore the historic streets of Old Phuket Town, where vibrant colors, ornate architecture, and bustling markets transport you back in time. Discover ornate temples, hidden alleyways, and vibrant street art as you immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and flavors of Phuket's cultural melting pot. For the adventurous spirit, Phuket offers an array of exhilarating experiences to satisfy your cravings for excitement. Dive into the azure waters of the Andaman Sea for world-class snorkeling and scuba diving adventures. Soar through lush rainforests on a thrilling zip-line adventure, trek to hidden waterfalls, and encounter exotic wildlife as you explore the natural wonders of Phuket. Welcome to Pattaya, Thailand's coastal gem, filled with pristine beaches that stretch along Pattaya's coastline. From the bustling shores of Pattaya Beach to the tranquil sands of Jomtien Beach, each offers its own unique charm and allure. Sink your toes into the soft sands, take a dip in the azure waters, and soak up the tropical sun as you unwind in the idyllic surroundings of Pattaya's beaches. Beyond its stunning coastline, Pattaya is home to a wealth of attractions and experiences waiting to be explored. Dive into the vibrant marine world at Underwater World Pattaya, where you can marvel at exotic sea creatures and breathtaking underwater landscapes. Explore the vibrant colors and flavors of Pattaya Floating Market, where bustling canals and traditional wooden houses transport you to a world of Thai culture and cuisine. As the sun sets, Pattaya comes alive with an electrifying nightlife scene that captivates visitors from around the world. Experience the pulsating energy of Walking Street, where neon lights, music, and entertainment beckon revelers into a world of excitement. Dance the night away at lively nightclubs, indulge in delectable street food, and immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Pattaya's nightlife. Exploring Phi Phi Islands, Thailand's tropical paradise. Our adventure begins on the pristine beaches that grace the shores of the Phi Phi Islands. From the iconic sands of Maya Bay to the secluded coves of Bamboo Island, each beach offers a tranquil escape amidst stunning natural surroundings. Lounge beneath swaying palm trees, take a refreshing swim in the crystal clear waters, and marvel at the vibrant marine life that thrives beneath the surface. Beyond its tranquil beaches, the Phi Phi Islands offer a wealth of adventures waiting to be discovered. Dive into the vibrant underwater world with snorkeling and scuba diving excursions, where colorful coral reefs and exotic marine creatures await. Embark on thrilling boat tours to explore hidden lagoons, limestone caves, and dramatic rock formations that dot the coastline of the islands. As the day draws to a close, be sure to witness the breathtaking spectacle of a Phi Phi Island sunset. From vantage points atop scenic viewpoints, watch as the sky ignites in a blaze of fiery colors, casting a magical glow over the islands below. Let the beauty of nature envelop you as you savor this unforgettable moment in paradise. Welcome to Krabi, a tropical paradise nestled along Thailand's Andaman coast, where towering limestone cliffs, turquoise waters, and lush jungles create a landscape of unparalleled beauty. From the iconic shores of Railay Beach to the secluded coves of Ao Nang, each beach offers a serene escape amidst breathtaking scenery. Ink your toes into the soft sands, bask in the warm tropical sun, and take a refreshing dip in the crystal clear waters as you soak up the tranquil ambience of Krabi's beaches. Beyond its tranquil shores, Krabi is a playground for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. Embark on exhilarating rock climbing expeditions amidst the towering limestone cliffs of Railay, where breathtaking views and thrilling challenges await. Explore hidden lagoons and emerald green pools nestled within lush jungles, or paddle through mangrove forests and limestone caves on a kayaking adventure through Krabi's pristine waterways. No visit to Krabi is complete without exploring its picturesque islands and marine wonders. Hop aboard a longtail boat and set sail to the idyllic Phi Islands, where stunning beaches, vibrant coral reefs, and crystal-clear waters beckon. Dive into the vibrant underwater world with snorkeling excursions, where colorful coral gardens and exotic marine life await discovery beneath the waves. Welcome to Khao Sok National Park, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of southern Thailand's lush rainforests, where towering limestone cliffs, emerald green lakes, and diverse wildlife create a landscape of unparalleled beauty. Embark on guided treks through dense jungles where towering trees, cascading waterfalls, and exotic wildlife await around every corner. Immerse yourself in the sights and sounds of nature as you explore hidden trails, encounter elusive wildlife, and discover the rich biodiversity that thrives within Khao Sok's pristine ecosystems. No visit to Khao Sok is complete without a journey across the breathtaking Chiao Lan Lake, also known as the Ratchaprapha Dam. Hop aboard a traditional longtail boat and cruise through the tranquil waters, surrounded by towering limestone cliffs and lush greenery. Marvel at the stunning natural beauty of the lake, explore hidden caves and lagoons, and soak in the serenity of this untouched wilderness. Khao Sok National Park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts, home to a diverse array of species, including Asian elephants, gibbons, hornbills, and even elusive big cats. Embark on wildlife spotting excursions and embark on night safaris to catch a glimpse of these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. Let the wonders of Khao Sok's wildlife inspire and captivate you as you witness nature's beauty unfold before your eyes. Welcome to Kanchanaburi, a land of rich history, natural beauty, and cultural heritage nestled in the heart of Western Thailand. Visit the infamous Death Railway and the bridge over the River Kwai, solemn reminders of the hardships endured during World War II. Pay homage to the thousands of Allied prisoners of war and laborers who lost their lives during the construction of this historic railway. Beyond its storied past, Kanchanaburi is blessed with breathtaking natural beauty. Explore the tranquil waters of the Erawan waterfalls, a series of 7 cascading tiers surrounded by lush jungle foliage. Take a refreshing dip in the emerald pools, trek through lush forests, and marvel at the natural wonders that abound in this pristine wilderness. Delve into the rich tapestry of Kanchanaburi's cultural heritage. Visit the vibrant markets of Kanchanaburi town, where local artisans showcase their craftsmanship and traditional wares. Sample authentic Thai cuisine, mingle with friendly locals, and immerse yourself in the vibrant rhythms of traditional music and dance. As our journey through Thailand comes to an end, we're left with memories of vibrant cities, pristine beaches, and captivating cultural experiences. Thailand truly is a land of smiles, where warm hospitality, rich history, and natural beauty converge to create an unforgettable travel destination. Until we meet again, Sawasdee Krab from Thailand. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and comment your favorite destination. Please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications to stay updated with our latest destinations.